So 8 years ago, after I retired, a fellow retiree recruited several of us to think about proposing a science center in Livermore. Science centers are known to be informal learning experiences where people can come and experience in a fun and exciting way hands-on, interactive, engaging activities that can help give them confidence to continue exploring and continue engaging with the science and technology that is in our lives. So we recruited other colleagues. We created a nonprofit Quest Science Center, and I was asked to become the CEO, take the CEO role in that organization. Then when the pandemic hit, we decided to bring those activities that we had started developing to the public, out into Science at Stockman's Park, and to so many venues that we now have over 20,000 people that come to our activities throughout the year. The Science Center itself may exist in the future, but we are already a science center. We're a science center without walls. I'm passionate about this service for the community because science is everywhere. Science is in our sports, our music, our food, everywhere we go. Science is for everyone. And as retirees, we're in our give back time of life. We can share our excitement. We can help change lives by providing engaging, relatable experiences for people of all ages and backgrounds. Yeah, I've been really surprised as we've put together these activities like tables full of circuit blocks that young people and their families come up and play with these circuit blocks for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, that young people say to their parents, I don't want to leave yet. I want to be a scientist. High school students, I've seen high school students stand there for 30 minutes creating their version of a parachute to try in our wind tunnel. And the parents are standing there trying some designs themselves. That's the excitement. That's the pride that we feel. Another point of pride is Quest's amazing internship program. Been part of our secret sauce from the very beginning, and we are now seeing that that program is proving to change the lives of those interns who've participated in our programs and been inspired by amazingly dedicated Quest staff and mentors.